What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another day, but today is super hot. Today's one of the hottest days that we've reached so far. I'm wearing my shorts, trying to get comfortable, my flip-flops today, and just trying to get some work done even though it's hot outside. It's nice and pretty cool inside here, so I'm targeting on working on the door panels, making sure I can take out all the stuff right here, the inner side of the door panels, and hoping to clean those up, especially with the sticky part of the door side where the plastic goes. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, like these guys right here, that right there, this gunk's right here. I'm gonna try to scrape those out. I want to make it clean as possible, and so it's ready for prep and sand, and then we'll paint the inside panels too as well. So yeah, I'm trying to get to most of this stuff. I'm trying to get all this stuff primered. Hopefully by tonight. We'll see how it goes. But it's really good weather, guys. Really good weather. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this the shop on, and we are officially ready to work, guys. Stay tuned. So far what I got here is pretty much I started out with the roof, and it is almost done, and I'm quite surprised at what I've done so far because I have never done any type of body work when it comes to roof. And like I mentioned before, it was wobbled or warped on the side. So I guess older cars, and they just tend to warp over the years. But I'm pretty surprised when I've laid the guide coat, and after I'm done sanding it down, and this is what it looks like, and it looks really good. Couple of things here and there just need a little bit of light filler on that, and this one is actually the biggest one. I didn't actually catch that one until now, and when I start sanding it, so I thought it was a high spot, but it tended to be a low spot on that area. But not a problem, nothing that we can fix. We are getting close to this build and before paint, so sanding is almost done on a major part. But I think so far I've done the fenders too as well. It needs a little minor of like I didn't touch this area, not just yet, because I will be fender rolling that real soon. So and then down the other side, which is the driver's side area, this part right here, it did had like a overrun on this side. So, and it was hard to see because there's not enough light in here. So I started out really early to work on this side. Anyways, yeah, this is pretty much done. Everything is straight on this one. Actually, no. I do have like a little bit of spot that I need to fill in. Can't remember where exactly. Oh yeah, there's a scratch right here, and there's a little bit of fill that I need to do on this side. This one right here, and then the scratch on this one side. Can't really. Oh, it's right there. Kind of hard to see, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and continue on, and I think I'm gonna start with the hood right now. And after I'm done working on the chassis part and the hood, I think we'll be ready to paint the car. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys. Catch you guys soon.